guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday to everyone. If you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope your day is going great. CVS really gave us some good CRTs today. I got a 5 off Revlon CRT and 2 L'Oreal CRTs. One of the L'Oreal is $5 off and another one is $3 off. But according to the ad, we were supposed to get a Maybelline CRT, but that didn't show up on my account, so I'm guessing it's because of the 2 L'Oreal CRTs. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but with these CRTs we have, we can still do some good savings and have some money maker with these deals. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's get into these deals. The first deal I'll be sharing will be a very simple deal. We don't have any coupon for this, but it will make a very good filler item. It's on the Real Facial Sheet Mask. They are priced at $3.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Picking up one, pay the $3.99 and you get $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal I have will be on the Aveeno and Neutrogena Facial Care. They're on the deal of spend 20, get $8 back, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up one of the Aveeno Positively Radiant Night Cream, priced at $24.49. I have this 3 of 10 Neutrogena or Aveeno Facial Care CRT from last week, and I also received one today. I'll be using both of them. It's going to drop it down to $18.49. Pay that and get $8 back. Check your Ibotta because we have a $5 back on this product. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back for spending 20. And after both rebates, this product will end up costing just 49 cents. If you don't want to pick up the night cream, another way to do this deal is by picking up the Aveeno Positively Radiant Brightening Scrub, priced at $11.99. And the second item you will pick up will be the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Scrub, priced at $8.99. These two items are going to total $20.98. Using the same CRTs I mentioned earlier on, is going to drop it down to $14.98. Pay that and get $8 back. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for $5 back when you spend 20. That will end up making these two items $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal will be on True Skin Facial Care. They're on the deal of buy one, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. The cheapest they have at my store is the Vitamin C, priced at $19.99. Pick up one. We have a $5 digital coupon that will apply to this. It's going to drop it down to $15. Pay that and get $5 back. Then check your Ibotta because we have a $5 back on this item. That will end up making this product just $4.99. And this will be another good deal to add to a 10 off 70 or 20 off 100 next purchase CRT. The next deal I have will be on some Colgate Total toothpaste. They are part of the spend 10 get $4 back, and this is a limit of 2. Pick up 2 of the Colgate Total, priced at $5.59. These two items are going to total $11.18. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply to this, and I also have a 2 off 8 Colgate CRT that will also work on this deal. If you don't have that, adjust your math, but with the 2 off 8, it's going to drop it down to $4.18 and you get $4 back, making it just 18 cents or 9 cents each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 soft soap or Irish Spring body wash, you get $4 back, and it's a limit of 1. They also on sale for buy one get one 40% off. I'll be keeping this deal all digital. That means pick up one of the Irish Spring, priced at $7.49. That will be the one that will be full price. Then pick up the soft soap, priced at $6.59. That will be the one that will be 40% off. It's going to drop down to $3.95. These two items are going to total $11.44. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring and another $2 digital coupon for the soft soap. After the 2 coupons, it's going to drop it down to $7.44. Pay that and get $4 back, making both items just $3.44 or $1.72 each. The next deal I have will be on Old Spice Body Wash Pump. It's part of the buy 2 get $2 back and it's a limit of 1. They're on sale for $8.49. Pick up 2 is going to total $16.98. Today we received a one-off 2 digital coupon that is going to apply and drop it down to $15.98. Pay that and get $2 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 on each item. That will be a total of $4. And after the rebate, these 2 items will end up costing just $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal I have here will be the spend 30 get $10 back and it's a limit of 1. And I'll be focusing on some body lotion with this deal. Pick up 2 of the Aveeno body lotion, 12 ounces, priced at $11.29. And to get to 30, pick up 1 of the 8 ounces lotion, priced at $9.79. These 3 items are going to total $32.37. We currently don't have any coupon for these products, but if you have a lotion CRT, you can add it to this deal, or you can add this deal to a 10 or 70. But without the coupons and the CRT, you have to pay the $32.37 and get $10 back. Then submit your receipt to activate reward for another $10 back. And that will end up making these 3 products just $12.37 or $4.12 each. The next skincare deal I have will be on the Palmers. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. And this is a limit of 1. And the cheapest item tag at my store is priced at $8.59. Picking up 2 of the cocoa butter formula. The first one is going to be $8.59. And the second one is going to be $4.30. That will total $12.89. Pay that and get $6 back, making both products $6.89 or $3.45 each. The next deal I have is when you buy select Conair appliances, you get $10 back and it's a limit of 1. They are on sale for $15, so you have to pick whichever one you like. Pay the $15 and get $10 back, making it just $5. The next deal I have here is spend 20 get $10 back on any Tresemme hair care, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the shampoo and conditioner, whichever way you like it, you can mix or match. They are priced at $7.29, and these 3 items are going to total $21.87. Today we received a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is going to apply to this. And I also have a 3 off 15 Tresemme hair care CRT that will help bring it down to $13.87. Pay that and get $10 back. That will end up making these 3 items $3.87 or $1.29 each. The next deal I have is on the buy 3 get $3 back on any Panting shampoo or conditioner. That's the 10.4 ounces to 12.6 ounces. And it's a limit of 1. If your store is not tagged, make sure you're checking the ad and you're picking up the right item, because we have 2 Panting deals going on this week. Pick up 3 and they're on sale for 3 for $15. I have this $2 CRT that we received last week. I still have mine. It expired on Saturday, but I can still use it because my store accepts it within few days expired. And I also have a 2 off 6 Panting CRT that I'll be adding to this transaction. I have another 2 off 6 any hair care CRT that will also work on this because I'm able to meet both threshold. That will be $12. We received a 3 off 3 digital coupon that will work on this deal as well. With the 3 CRTs and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $6. Pay that and get $3 back, making all 3 items just $3 or $1 each. The next deal I have here will be on the Herbal Essence hair care. They're on sale for 2 for $14, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Then pick up 2 at $14 for both. The same $2 CRT I just showed you guys earlier on, that's what you're looking at. In case you're not doing the Panting, you can use it with this deal, and also the 2 off 6 hair care CRT. Today we received a 4 off 2 digital coupon. It's going to drop it down to $6. You get $3 back, making these 2 items just $3 or $1.50 each. The next item I have here is not giving back any extra care box, but the all free and clear detergent is on sale for $5.29. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that is going to apply to it and drop it down to $3.79. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $2 bag. That will make this product just $1.79 if you need it. The next deal I have here is buy 2 Lyso or Air Wick products, you get $3 bag, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up one of the Lyso wipes, that's the 35 counts, priced at $5.99. Then pick up one of the air sanitizer, priced at $11.29. Because this is buy one get one half off, the lower priced one is going to be the one that will be half off, and that will be the Lyso wipes. That will drop down to $3. And these two items are going to total $14.29. We have a $3 digital coupon for the air sanitizer, and we also have a $1 for the wipes. With the two coupons, it's going to drop it down to $10.29. Pay that and get $3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for the air sanitizer. You will get back $3 for that, and it's 75 cents for the wipes. And after the rebate, it will end up costing just $3.29 or $1.65 each. The next deal I have here will be buy 2 Cotel 9 Mega Roll or Viva 6 Big Roll, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Cotel 9 Mega Roll on sale for $10.99. That would total $21.98. We don't have any coupon for this product, so pay the $21.98 and get $5 back, making both items $16.98 or $8.49 each. If you don't want to do it this way, you can add the Viva 6 Big Rolls in place of one of the Cotel. It's still going to be the same thing because they are both on sale for $10.99. Pay the $21.98 and get $5 back, making both of them $16.98 or $8.49 each. The next deal I have here will be the buy 2 Hershey Kisses, you get $2 back, and it's a limit of 1. They also on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2, pay the $9 and get $2 back, making both products just $7 or $3.50 each. Nature Valley granola bars are on sale for $1.99. I have these 2 of 5 CRT that I would like to use with this deal. So if you have it, pick up 3, and that would total $5.97. We also have a 50-cent digital coupon that will apply to this deal. With these 2 of 5 and the 50-cent digital coupon, it's going to drop it down to $3.47. Pay that, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 25 cents back on each box. That will end up making these 3 products just $2.72 or 91 cents each. The next deal I have here will be the spend 20 get $8 back on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tool, and this is a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs, priced at $6.79. I have this $3 CRT we received last week. It expired on Saturday, but I can still use it at my store. Today we received another $5 Revlon CRT. With the 2 CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $12.37. Pay that and get $8 back, making all 3 items just $4.37 or $1.46 each. The next deal we have here will be the L'Oreal Cosmetics. The on buy 2, get $5 back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up one of the lipsticks, priced at $10.79. And pick up one of the eyeshadows, priced at $6.99. These 2 items are going to total $17.78. This is the CRT we received last week. You can either use it for Maybelline or L'Oreal. But today we received another $3 CRT and a $5 L'Oreal CRT. I have a 3 of 15 L'Oreal CRT that I can also use with this deal. With all these CRTs, it's going to drop it down to $3.78. Pay that and get $5 back, making both of them free and a $1.22 money maker. If you don't have the 3 of 15 L'Oreal CRT or you don't want to use that, you can just pick up 2 of the eyeshadows, and after all these CRTs apply, it's going to drop it down to $2.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both of them free and a $2.02 money maker. The next deal I have here is the spend 20 get $10 back, and Maybelline Cosmetics is part of this deal, and also Colgate Optic White. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, priced at $10.29. It's going to total $20.58. This $3 CRT I'm showing you right now is the same CRT I showed you with the L'Oreal deal. We received it last week, so you have to choose which deal you want to use it with. I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT that I'll be adding to this deal. I have another 5 off 15 Maybelline coupon I received in my email. They normally send me this type of email coupon on my birthday, but I'm surprised to receive this one last week. But if you don't have the 5 off 15 coupon, we have a $3 in our app that you can use. All you have to do is adjust your math. With my 2 CRTs and the coupon, it's going to drop it down to $9.58. I will pay that and get $10 back, making both items free and a 42-cent money maker. I forgot to mention that I'm using 2 threshold CRT for this deal, and I'm able to use that because one is manufacturer's coupon and the second one is CRT. It's not going to affect the total. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for being here, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.